Hello everyone. I'm Mindek. Welcome back to my new video, everyone. This is my latest video. In the previous video, we went through the top 10 Gen AI startups with the highest valuations in the world. In this next part, let's continue together to explore the rest of the companies on the list. 11 to 25. Let's see who these companies are and what they're doing. What's interesting and outstanding about what they do, and what innovative things have helped them become tech unicorns and reach billion-dollar valuations. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started right away. At number 11, we have Cohere. We're going to talk about an extremely important issue, which is security. When companies, big corporations want to use AI, they can't afford to take risks with their data, and that's exactly when Cohere shines. Think of Cohere like a Swiss bank of the AI world. This Canadian company was founded in 2019 and doesn't just follow the crowd. Instead, Cohere focuses on building AI models that are extremely secure and private, targeting large corporations and clients who don't want to take risks, even with their most sensitive data. It's this focus on trust and security that has helped Cohere take 4 years to become a tech unicorn and reach a valuation of $6.8 billion, making it a trusted partner for big names like Oracle and Accenture. At number 12, the open source race continues. Again, heats up with another representative from China. It's Zhipu AI, now rebranded as Z.AI. Founded in 2019, Zhipu AI is a major force in the open source movement, offering powerful GLM models. Instead of keeping its core technology to itself, Zhipu AI chose to arm a global developer community with extremely powerful AI toolkits that are completely free of charge, betting on the power of the collective. And truly, this bet on open source has paid off handsomely, as Zhipu AI only took 3 years to become a tech unicorn, with a valuation reaching up to $5.6 billion. In 13th place is Harvey, which solves one of the toughest industries, which is legal law. Just imagine hours buried under piles of legislative documents stacked like mountains. Problem Harvey, AI lawyer, created to solve. If Devin is the AI engineer, then Harvey is the AI lawyer. This American company, founded in 2022, is changing the legal industry, an industry famous for its extremely high standards of accuracy. Harvey works like a tireless legal assistant, never getting tired, able to read a thick contract in just a few minutes and point out potential risks, or carry out complex legal research that used to take lawyers a lot of time. In an industry where expert time is as valuable as gold, automating these tasks is truly a goldmine in every sense. This also explains why Harvey became a tech unicorn after just 1 year and reached a valuation of $5 billion. Ranked at number 14 is a very familiar name, Hugging Face. I've already made a video about Hugging Face. To understand this company from France, it was founded in 2016. We can think of it like a gold rush, but Hugging Face isn't digging for gold itself. It's actually the one selling the picks and shovels. More precisely, Hugging Face is dubbed the GitHub of the AI world. It's a massive library and community hub, a huge community center, where everyone from big corporations to independent developers can join in to share and collaborate. They might not be the ones creating the most powerful models, but they built the playground where the most powerful models are born. This indispensable role has helped them take 7 years to become a tech unicorn and reach a valuation of $4.5 billion. In 15th place is Inflection AI, an American company founded in 2022. Let's temporarily close the chapter on the race for logical intelligence to talk about another aspect that might be even more important, which is emotional intelligence. And that's exactly the bet Inflection AI. Their most famous product, Pi, isn't racing to become the smartest, but the most attentive. Pi is designed to be a true companion for you, focusing on listening and creating emotionally rich conversations, something we call emotional intelligence, or EQ. It's a bet on a future where AI isn't just a tool, but also a true companion. This focus on being a mental companion has helped Inflection AI become a tech unicorn in just 1 year and reach a valuation of $4 billion. In 16th place is Minimax, which is also a relatively new name. Have you ever felt tired of having to switch back and forth between so many different AI tools? One for writing, one for video, and another for audio. That's exactly the problem that Minimax AI, a Chinese company founded in 2021, is trying to solve. Instead of becoming an expert in just one single field, Minimax is betting on becoming a all-in-one creative factory, an all-in-one solution. Their platform lets you do everything, from writing scripts to creating illustrative videos and even dubbing, all in one single place. It's this ambition to create a comprehensive, seamless creative solution that has also helped them become a tech unicorn in just 2 years, with a valuation of $4 billion. At number 17 is Runway. You have a brilliant movie idea, but you don't have Hollywood-level funding. Then Runway is the answer for you. Runway is a pioneer in generating videos from text, and this American company, founded in 2018, lets you do the impossible. Just type out a script, and Runway will turn it into a vivid and stunning video clip. This technology is not only changing the creative industry, but it's also democratizing creativity itself, empowering independent filmmakers and small creators like us. It's this very influence that helped Runway take 5 years to become a unicorn and reach a valuation of $3.5 billion. In 18th place is Moonshot AI from China. Have you ever been frustrated when you wanted AI to summarize a long PDF file, but it gave you an error because the file was too big or too long? Well, Moonshot AI was founded in 2023, is tackling exactly this problem. Imagine you have an assistant that can read through an entire novel or a financial report that's hundreds of pages long, and then you can ask questions about it. That's exactly what's special about Kimi, the AI model from this Moonshot company, thanks to something called language window. Super long scene, basically the language window. The scene is like a giant short-term memory. Allows AI to memorize entire text from start to finish. It is this ability to process huge amounts of information that helped Moonshot AI and Kimi became a unicorn in just 1 year, with a valuation of $3.3 billion. In 19th place is 11 Labs. Have you ever heard an AI voice and thought it sounded way too robotic, way too soulless? Well, 11 Labs, a Polish company founded in 2021, was created to solve this problem, which is to breathe life into the soundscape of AI. They create AI voices that not only pronounce words correctly, but also convey subtle emotions and intonations, making it almost impossible for you to tell who's real and who's AI. 11 Labs Tech. Redefining entire industries, like audiobooks, games, and film dubbing, opening up a future where every piece of content can be instantly dubbed with high quality. That's why it took 1 year for 11 Labs, a tech unicorn valued at $3.3 billion. US dollars. In 20th place is Replit. So let's talk about a pain point that every programmer has to go through, which is spending a lot of time struggling with installing and configuring projects. Well, Replit, an American company founded in 2016, has turned that nightmare into the past. This platform works like a Google Docs for coders, allowing developers to share code and collaborate directly in the browser without having to install anything. When combined with a smart AI assistant, Replit is reshaping how the new generation of programmers will learn and work. Sounds like a pretty exciting prospect, right? It took 7 years to become a unicorn, and now Replit is valued at around $3 billion. At number 21 is Character.ai. If you've ever dreamed of chatting with any AI, from historical greats like Socrates to fictional characters like Super Mario, then Character AI will help you make that dream come true. This American company, founded in 2021, is not just a playground for your imagination to soar, to fly far and wide, but also a unique space for entertainment, finding companionship, or even simulating important conversations. This very unique appeal not only attracts millions of users, but also convinced the giant Google to invest and acquire Character AI. This is clear evidence showing the enormous potential of this platform. After just 2 years, Character AI has become a tech unicorn with a valuation of $2.5 billion. The AI entertainment and companion market is truly a gold mine. In 22nd place is Synthesia. Imagine you have to create dozens of training videos for your employees in different languages. The cost for actors, for the studio, for the production team, just how massive would that be? Synthesia, a British company founded in 2017, was created to make that expensive problem a thing of the past. So, the Synthesia platform will let you do the unthinkable, which is just type out a script, and then an avatar, a professional digital actor, will present the content you want. Exactly. This massive cost and time saving helped Synthesia become a unicorn 6 years, reaching a valuation of $2.1 billion US. At number 23, we have Mercer. We've tackled one of the biggest pain points for both job seekers and employers, which is the recruitment process through CVs. Have you ever felt like your CV doesn't really show your true abilities? Well, Mercer, an American company founded in 2023, believes it's time to change this situation. Instead of just relying on lines of text on paper, Mercer will use AI to create real-world skill assessments, helping companies see the true talent of the candidates. This approach not only makes the recruitment process faster and cheaper, but, most importantly, fairer for everyone because it addresses such a big problem. That's why Mercer only took 2 years to become a tech unicorn and reach a valuation of $2.1 billion. At number 24 is Writer.com. Have you ever wanted to automate complex processes in your company in a secure way without needing a large team of engineers? That's exactly the problem that Writer.com is solving. Don't let the name Writer fool you. This isn't just a writing tool. Think of Writer as a platform that lets businesses build their own AI employees to automate everything from sales to project management. This American company, founded in 2020, uses its own in-house AI brain called Palmyra, which is optimized for enterprise-level accuracy and security and is likely to deliver a clear return on investment for major clients like Uber. Writer.com took just 3 years to become a tech unicorn and was valued at up to $1.9 billion US. Finally, in 25th place, is Lovable from Sweden. Have you ever come up with a breakthrough idea, but then hesitated because of a barrier called coding? Lovable was created to break down that barrier. Founded in 2023, this company builds a platform where you create apps as easily as building blocks. Prompt AI handles heavy lifting, all the hard work, with the goal of democratizing the creation of software and applications. Lovable is the company. That is the 25th GenAI startup. Wrapping up our list. The company took 2 years to become a unicorn, valued at $1.8 billion. We've gone through the list of the top 25 names in the GenAI startup space for 2025. Looking at this big picture, there are a few trends that are really interesting. First, when it comes to the race to build foundation models, foundation AI, it's still the main focus. We have up to 9 companies, which is 36%, focusing on this segment. These are the giant brains that provide the power and intelligence for the entire GenAI ecosystem. Next, we see a strong rise of AI tools for developers, from code assistants to app building platforms, with 5 companies making up 20%, are betting on changing the way developers create software. Then there's another major segment, 20%, tools boost productivity. From internal information search to legal support and even recruitment, this shows that AI is increasingly penetrating to solve real-world problems for businesses. The content creation sector makes up 16%, with companies on this list leading the way in generating images, videos, and voices using AI. Finally, the remaining 8% focus on personal AI assistants and chatbots, showing the growing demand for more natural and closer connections with AI from us humans. Overall, the Gen AI playing field isn't just about creating the smartest AI, but also about finding practical and creative ways to apply AI in our lives and work, in our daily lives and jobs. Alright, so after going through the list of these 25 Gen AI startups, how do you feel about it? Will the future belong to the giants that build foundational AI models like OpenAI, the playground for specialized companies that tackle smaller specific problems, even if they're niche but highly focused, like Perplexity AI or 11 Labs? Out of these 25 Gen AI startups, which company excites you the most? Feel free to share your thoughts with me in the comments section below. If you found this video interesting, don't forget to hit like and subscribe to my channel so you won't miss any upcoming videos about AI technology. If you're still here watching up to this point, thank you so much. See you in the next video. Bye bye.